Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you 650 text presets in Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro. Now I'm extract here this file. You see, there are two folders, one for Adobe After Effects and the other for Adobe Premiere Pro. I am opening the folder of Adobe Premiere Pro first. I will show you the next Adobe After Effects. So now I am showing you how to install Premium Premiere Pro, .morg file. Look, so to the same cart or copy, see after, I opened a new tab, then, your user, then app data, then roaming, then Adobe, then common, then motion graphics templates. If copied or cut here, paste it, see I gave it. I am done. Now I am opening Adobe Premiere Pro. See. If you do not have this Essential Graphics tab, click Windows to open and click Essential Graphics. You can see. I think there are more than 650 here, so you guys check it out. I'm bringing a timeline now, and showing you how to use it. I think you can. If you set the animation start and end time from here, then the animation accordingly start and end. You can change everything from here. You can change the animation style. There are many functions here, you will see. You can change the color from now on. I think you understand. So I'm now opening the Adobe After Effects folder. You see, there are 3 folders here, so I'm opening the project file folder. You can see there are 2 folders here, so I'm opening the After Effects file. You can see, here is the project file, so I'm dragging and opening After Effects. No problem, you can do it too. Open this folder. You can see that this project everything, but let me show you once. Look. Well, now let's see how it works. So I open the first folder, opening a project. Double click from here, then you can change the text. From here you can change the animation in and out. From here you can change the color, scheme. If there is a problem, of course, let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.